How to change or edit receiver name in Western Union. In this video, I show you how to change edit receiver name in Western Union. Let's proceed. I have opened my Western Union app. This is the home screen. Remember that you can only make slight corrections to the name of a recipient for a Western Union transfer online. For example, my name is Esli, but if you send money with a slight variation like Esli, you can correct it. However, changing the name from Esli to something entirely different like Maria or Teresa is not possible. For such cases, you'll need to cancel the transaction and initiate a new transfer. I will explain further with an example. To change the receiver's name in Western Union, click the menu button on the top right and then select History, represented by a calendar icon. Here, you'll find all transactions with Western Union. If a transaction is green, like the one at the bottom, it can't be edited as the money has already been picked up. However, if it's still yellow, you can proceed to edit the recipient's name. Next to the MTC number, click on the 3 dots for more options. Then click More Actions, represented by 3 dots, to view more information about the transfer. To edit the receiver's name, click on the button with the pencil icon labeled as Edit Receiver's Name. Now you can modify the receiver's name within the Western Union system. Remember, you can only make minor changes. So if you encounter an error message stating that you're allowed only minor modifications, it means you've exceeded the allowable changes. Unfortunately, they don't specify the exact limit. If this happens, you'll need to cancel the transaction and start over. However, if the changes are accepted, the update will be immediate. And you should inform the recipient of the new MTS or the reference number for Western Union as they'll be updated as well. So there you have it. That's how you edit or change the receiver's name for a Western Union transfer.